You alone deserve all the glory. Hi guys, this is your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Let's make this beautiful corn dogs, okay? So I have my sausages here. You can choose to use any hot dogs or sausage of your choice. So we are gonna insert the skewers just like I am doing here, okay? So afterwards, we pat it dry and then we set it aside. So now we are gonna make our batter. So we add our flour. Please note I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box so you check it out, okay? Yes, we can also add corn flour, but I don't have corn flour at the moment, so I am using the normal all-purpose flour. Then we add some sugar to it, and then we mix that for it to incorporate into each other. Then we'll be adding our wet ingredients. That I have some egg here, then I'll add my essence, and then this is evaporated milk I have mixed with water. Yes, so I used 1 tin of evaporated milk and then 1 cup of water. So we stir gently and then we arrive at this consistency. Make sure your batter is not too watery, okay? This is the best consistency you should arrive. Okay, so now our next step, we need a glass, and then we're gonna transfer the batter into the glass, yes, to enable us dip our skewed sausage or hot dog in it very well, okay? So our sausage can be well coated. So over here I sprinkle a little flour, yes, on the skewed sausages so it can be well coated with the batter. So this is how we go about it. You dip it into it and then you turn it. Yeah, so right from here we are taking it straight into the oil. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. The support is massive. God bless you. I really appreciate you. And please note, we don't need our oil to be very hot, okay? Either than that, our corn dogs are gonna burn without it being well cooked. Okay, so once in the oil, you just turn it, and then once it becomes golden brown, then it means our corn dogs is ready. So we just take it out from the oil and then we allow it to cool down, and ta-da, we are done. So you can enjoy it with some mustard, some ketchup, or even mix the two together, and trust me, you are gonna enjoy the best snack ever. So you can try this corn dog recipe at home, family, and you are gonna enjoy it, okay? The kids love it. I made this and my babies were enjoying it. They were asking for more. So why don't you follow this step-by-step recipe and add some goodness to your plate, okay? And then this is how it comes when you bite it. Thank you guys, and see ya in our next video. I know you are gonna try this. I love you guys. Bye bye.